बुधवारपेठ फोंड्या बुधवारा फोंड्या ट्राफिक पुलिशेन दुचाकी पार्किंगा खातीर सुवात मार्क केल्या। फोंडेच्या जनतेन शिस्तीन पार्किंग करून फोंड्या येरादारी पुलिशेक सहकार्य करचें म्हण मागणी फोंड्या येरादारी पुलिशेन केल्या। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Humble request from the traffic department to the general public of Fonda as well as citizens of Fonda to obey the rules and regulations of traffic and as well as to park the vehicles in a systematic manner so that there should not be any traffic congestion to the regular flow of traffic. There are zebra crossings, however the thermoplast which is used for zebra crossing, it is been faded now. We have already moved letters to the PWD department to get it painted as well as erections of the signboards.